Hello, today's video is all about clearing up some common myths around e-waste disposal. Many people and businesses believe things about e-waste that simply are not true. These myths lead to electronics ending up in the wrong places, harming the environment and wasting valuable resources. Let's go through some facts. Myth 1. E-waste is just old computers. Many people think e-waste only means old computers and laptops. In reality, e-waste includes any discarded electronic device. Mobile phones, printers, monitors, servers, networking equipment, cables, and even items like electric toothbrushes and toys all count as e-waste. Anything with a plug or a battery belongs in e-waste recycling once it reaches the end of its life. Ignoring this means lots of small items end up in general rubbish bins, where they cause environmental harm. Myth 2. Throwing electronics in the bin is fine. Some believe it's harmless to throw electronics into normal rubbish. This is false. Electronics contain hazardous materials such as lead, mercury, cadmium, and flame retardants. If sent to landfill, these toxins can leak into soil and water. Even small gadgets add up to significant pollution. Electronics should never go to the normal bin. Always recycle them through a certified e-waste processor. Myth 3. Recycling e-waste is pointless. Some people feel recycling electronics is pointless because devices are too complex to recover materials. The truth is, proper recycling recovers valuable metals like gold, copper, silver, palladium, and rare earth elements. These materials can be reused to manufacture new electronics. Recovering metals from e-waste uses far less energy than mining new resources. Recycling also reduces the need for harmful mining and helps cut carbon emissions. Myth 4. Wiping hard drive means data is gone. Many believe deleting files or formatting a hard drive makes data disappear. This is not true. Simple deletion leaves data behind, which can often be recovered. Businesses and individuals must ensure proper data destruction before recycling. Use certified data wiping software or physically destroy drives if they hold sensitive information. Otherwise, personal or business data could end up in the wrong hands. Myth 5. Sending e-waste overseas is fine. Some think exporting e-waste is a good way to help developing countries. The fact is, much exported e-waste ends up in places with unsafe recycling practices. Workers often dismantle devices without proper protection, leading to health risks and environmental damage. International laws, such as Basel Convention, exist to stop this problem, but illegal shipments still happen. Keeping e-waste recycling local and regulated is the safest option. Myth 6. E-waste has no value. Many people think e-waste is worthless junk. In truth, the e-waste contains significant value. Global e-waste holds billions of pounds worth of recoverable materials. When devices are properly recycled, these materials go back into the economy instead of ending up in landfill. Ignoring this value is like throwing money away. So in summary, e-waste is much more than just old computers. It should never go into the general bin, and proper recycling recovers valuable resources while protecting health and the environment. Data on electronics is not automatically safe simply because files are deleted, and sending e-waste overseas can often cause harm instead of help. E-waste is a resource, not rubbish. Thank you for watching. Stay informed and help spread the facts about e-waste. See you next time.